Okay, what was Newtonian consideration? What do we know? What's Newton's second law? Sigma F equals the sum of the forces. So now I have to redraw my pendulum. If this is my L, mg acting downwards, that means I have theta here, mg cosine theta, and mg sine theta. What's the force acting in the direction I want? Well, this is the direction I want. What's the force acting in this direction? Very good. So it will be mg sine theta with a plus or a minus. I chose this direction positive, going up positive, so I'm going to get negative. Now, what is sigma F? That indeed is equals to MA. But in my case, what is A? S double dot, right? Because it's still along the arc. See it? Acceleration is along the arc. And S still is L theta. So S dot will be L theta dot, and S double dot will be L theta double dot. So may I write this as ML theta double dot equals minus mg sine theta. What is sine theta for Taylor expansion for small angles? If theta is small, may I ignore these? Then can I replace ML theta double dot equals minus mg theta? M's on both sides. M cannot be 0. Can I get rid of them? So will I be left with L theta double dot plus G theta equals 0? Or theta double dot plus G over L theta equals 0. Is this not the Flower equation again?